That was a very nice and low Havilland Canada-8Q300 Qantas taking off from Sydney to Wagga Wagga, Q 2213, and the time is 3:35 PM. Hello guys, welcome back to another Sydney aviation video. I'm here at Earlwood for part 18, just going to be recording some planes taking off overhead, just like that Qantas Q300, as well as a couple of kilometers in the distance. So without further ado, sit back and enjoy. That was a Boeing 737.8 Virgin Australia Airlines taking off from Sydney to Melbourne, VA858, and the time is 4:31 PM. Now we've got a Havilland Canada-8Q400 Qantas taking off from Sydney to Canberra, QF 1445, and the time is 4:12 PM. Sorry for the late recording on that departure. That was a Boeing 737.8 Virgin Australia Airlines taking off from Sydney to Melbourne, VA868, and the time is 4:14 PM. That was a indeed nice and low directly overhead Havilland Canada-8Q300 Qantas taking off from Sydney to Albury, Q 2205, and the time is 5:01 PM. That was a nice and low, and one of probably the lowest Havilland Canada-8Q200 I've ever seen in my entire life, Q 2042 taking off from Sydney to Dubbo, and the time is 6:35 PM. Now we have got a Havilland Canada-8Q300 Qantas taking off from Sydney to Wagga Wagga, Q 2231, and the time is 7:05 PM.